Our first bowling into Hale Dabner RB Futsal Festival 2026 Beast Awards. Our Beast goalkeeper goes to Fabricar Benson. Our best defender, Alba Bibi. And our best striker goes to Alba Mario. And our most valuable player goes to Flores Janmor. And our